Fill 3 glasses halfway with water. Add 2 drops of red color. Add 2 drops of blue color. Now stir the colors so that you get red, blue and yellow. These are the primary colors. Now add 3 drops of yellow color in the red glass. Now you can see the red color is transformed into orange color. Similarly, add 2 drops of red color in blue glass. 1 and 2. See, the color has changed. Now add 2 drops of blue color in yellow glass. You can see it is changing into green. When you mix blue and yellow, you can get green color. Now mix orange color into the purple color. You can see it is changing to brown color. Now let us mix the green color into this. We can see what is the color. Oh, it is a dark brown color. It looks like black. Primary colors cannot be created by mixing other colors, but they can be combined in different proportions to make all the other colors. The color made by mixing 2 primary colors are called secondary colors.